Forgot to unmute. Hello and welcome to FlyBase tutorial with Dr. Key. So we're going to go, I'm just going to screen share and go to, I'm going to open a new tab. Now I have FlyBase already bookmarked, but if you just get a browser search window and type in flybase.org, you can pull this up. So I'm going to just show you a few things, or a couple of things I think here. One is BLAST. So BLAST is a tool that we use in order to compare sequences from one species to another. So I'm going to click on that. You can see that I've already got something in there, and I'm going to just set this back to the way you will see it when you first open it. And one of the things I'm asking you to do is to do a BLAST using FlyBase. And so I happen to have a gene right here, an ADH gene that I've gotten, and I've got instructions for how you can get this in a write-up. This is Homo sapien, one of the ADH genes. There are several ADH genes in humans, and this is one of the alleles. If you just click on the window and then hit Control A, you'll select everything, and then Control C will allow you to copy it. And you can take that back over to this window and hit Control V, as in victory, to paste it in there. And then you'll hit BLAST in order to do the sequence BLAST. But I forgot to tell you down here, it's automatically checked for Drosophila melanogaster, and that is what we're going to use. That is the species that has been used as a model organism for over 100 years. So that's going to be part of your exercises to do this BLAST. I'm going to go back to the home window, and I wanted to highlight this other region of FlyBase called Jump to Gene. And so you just go ahead and type in, for example, alcohol, because I'm interested in studying alcohol in flies. So let's see what it pulls up. Hit the go, and it's going to bring back 2 hits. This top one looks interesting. It's called alcohol dehydrogenase. And sure enough, its abbreviation is ADH in flies. And it is a protein coding sequence. It has the enzyme function alcohol dehydrogenase and acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. Okay, so that's some of the general information about this gene. And you can see that we've got a menu over here to select things like genomic location. So the genomic location is on the 2nd chromosome. You can see the ADH gene is right here, and it shares some space with the ADHR, which I assume means receptor gene. You can click further on the menu to get functions, and it can show you molecular function, biological process function, and cellular component. Where is it located in the cell? See what other information is on here that's interesting. Well, let's go to summaries. I don't know if you want to read all that. That's kind of a turnoff for me. I know some people love to read, but honestly, I am not one of those people. I like pictures, worth 1,000 words. I will read though. I obviously have read. Oh Lord. The dangers of zooming in. So this is just showing you the gene models. So how this thing can be put together. So there are 1, 2, let's see, this is ADH. Let's zoom in here. 1, 2 ADH, 3 ADH, 4, 5. 5 different ways to splice together the ADH gene. And then we see that ADHR also has 1, 2, 3. So we've got isoform A, isoform B, and isoform C. So you can see the different models for the genes, how they're arranged, where they're located in flies. You can also find expression data from multiple databases that have been put together, including transcript, polypeptide, data, I'm going to go down this one, high throughput, and external data and images. So, and another bioinformatics exercise, you'll be looking at that. We can also look at different alleles and insertions. So you can keep scrolling on down here for the different. So here's some different alleles, like the ADHF gene. So you allele, so the variant of ADH, that's the F allele, and you can zoom in here and it will give you more information about it. So you can keep clicking on things and it will tell you like the nature of the allele and different comments. So lots of information. Well, that is not what I intended to click. Okay, I wanted to go back to the home page, and are we there yet? No, we're on ADHF. And we're still on ADHF. Let me get back to where we were. So, wow, lots of information. Too much TMI. So anyway, these are the different alleles that are available from the United States, the Bloomington Stock Center, and then we've got another stock center that's located in Kyoto, Japan. Back to our bar menu. You can see what else. There's Human Disease Association, so you can click on that and find out information about that. And let's see, what else do we want to go to? I'm just going to go to references. So if you're interested in reading more, we've got all publications. There's over 1,000 for the ADH gene. There's theses that are posted, books and letters and so forth. So FlyBase can give you all the information you want and some that maybe you don't want, but it's got lots of information in this database. So that's my orientation. I hope you enjoyed it.